going to benefit you, not omunye umuntu. I repeat, now you can make a decision that will benefit you, not omunye umuntu. Now you got the reason why we against people ababhizi baposta ngeendaba zabantu but i-bank account yabo ikhala njenge-alarm, khala njenge-ambulance. This is Babu Dokotela. Yes, I have kunembuzo engeke ngizibuza yona, ngicabanga nawe uyibuze. Yabo, angekho umuntu ongahlanye but umuntu ohlanya ezingeni lakhe lokuhlanya. Kunento engizibuza yona engisho ukuthi nawe kusafuna ukuthi ukuzibuze lento le. Uma uzibuza lento lena isikhathi sini njengamanje njengoba ubuka le video, what time is it? Kade lo muntu akha isikhathi, what time was it? The person who invented time, he invented time at what time? What if it was 1 o'clock? And then it took him till 1 o'clock to make time, which means kwakhona isikhathi esinazo si-wrong. Stop persecuting yourself, which is isikhathi siyangishaya. Uvezo late. Because that person, it took him time to make time. You understand? It took him time to make time. 1 second, want to make it a call. Yeah, ngoba lento we have to ask ourselves. Uguti, we got 12 hours, okay? 1 minute is made out of 60 seconds. Why not 100? Why not 50? Kunento lana abangafuna ukusitshela yona. This is just a faith. This is just a belief system. There's no such thing as called time. At the end of the day, there's no such thing as called time. There is no such thing as called time because we got proof. The person who invented time, there was no time. And he decided to make time for us, not for him. Without making time, and then he decided to give us time. For what? To enslave us. That's all. Okay. Okay, fine. Keep it that way. A person who discovered that, listen to me carefully. A person who discovered that a cow has milk, what was he busy doing in a cow? What was he doing? And what was he doing? And he learned that, Nkomi no bis. Go busy and then you find out that there's milk. Yeah, those are questions that